so much for coming. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and let me know down below, and if you like what you see in the content and all that jazz, let me know. So today I am doing a very interesting collab. Yes, I haven't done a collab in so long. Since this is a collab, go ahead and show my girl some love. I will obviously have her channel linked down below. Myra, thanks so much for actually collabing with me. I wanted to make a video that is very simple, very affordable, and very easy to wear. But regardless, if you guys are interested to learn more about this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I hope you guys like it. Alright, I know I look so weird without eye makeup. I have all my face on basically, but I don't have blush, highlight, and I haven't baked my face. Sometimes when you do your foundation first, you tend to get a lot of fallout depending on the eyeshadow that you have. So I like, you know, setting or baking my face as I do my eyes. Usually though, I always start with my eyes and then move on to the face. It was really difficult for me because I do own a lot of Morphe palettes, but I didn't get any Morphe palettes in this video, just so you guys could, you know, get your head out of the box, and you don't only have to buy from one company because other top influencers do. This is an inspired spring look, but it's an everyday spring look. Like if you do go to work and you don't have time to go all glam, this is the video for you. I'm gonna try to make it simple for anyone to follow these steps. I'll list all the brushes or whatever I forget down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and talk through the videos because I normally do, you know, home decor hauls and all that, and I just talk about home stuff. I am going to go ahead and set my under eye just in case I have any fallout. I'm gonna use this Airspun, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eye with this since I haven't set my face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyes. Now I stopped doing makeup tutorials because I feel like they're so redundant nowadays. I feel like beauty gurus really killing it for the rest of us. I feel like they always use the same products. They're not like budget friendly. And I did ask on my Instagram and on my Snapchat what would you guys like to see, and the majority of you guys requested a budget friendly video, and I was happy to do that because that's how I started my channel, was a budget friendly, and I swore that I would never buy high end, and then TJ Maxx started carrying high end makeup. I'm like, oh great, you know. Let's just go ahead and set my eyes first because I haven't done that. I'm gonna use one of the brushes that a company sent me a while back ago. I will have all that linked down below, and all I'm doing right now is just setting my eye just so I don't have any creasing later on. And I did put concealer on my eyelids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, just to prime them up. I'm gonna go with purple today in the Model's Own palette. I'm gonna use the shade Mythical. It is a mauve purple. I'm gonna use this actually on my crease. I don't like using a lot of basic neutrals. I do like color, especially purple. I love playing with purples and blues. So all I'm doing here is just putting it on my crease and then blending it out as I go. Just gonna keep going back and forth until you have the right pigmentation and the right liking, and then I will go over this all over my eyelid when I have nothing else left on this brush. And this brush is also from the same company that I got the other one. I really want to make sure that you guys could use this, you know, around work or whatnot. We're just gonna go ahead and darken up the crease a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this mauve color that she has at this corner. Okay, I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. This one is a dupe from the Real Techniques brush. I did do a review on this a while back ago. I'll have these down below, and then just go ahead and go over what we did. I'm gonna leave the first shade higher, and then this one's gonna be just a lower than the original shade that we went with. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to the original brush that we started off with, and then just on top, just to blend everything perfectly fine. A lot of people do like layering, you know, the transition colors with a lot of colors. For me, I find it very redundant when you're actually trying to get ready for work or whatever, so I just use like 2 transition colors. Even one will work. I just wanted to darken it up a little bit, so I found the opportunity to use 2 colors right now. I am going to go ahead and use the Jumbo Pencil in Yogurt. It is a very champagne pink shade. I'm going to put this in the center of my eyelid. That's where I'm going to focus on that color, and then just darken it up at the outer corners of your eye. And I'm not being precise with this one. I am just setting it on the eyelid just so it could make the eyeshadow stay put. Next, I'm going to use a flat brush. This one is from BH Cosmetics, which I highly recommend. If I think I did do a review on these, I'll have it linked down below. This one is in 102. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush. I'm going to use the Pixi setting spray. I do have it in this one, but the thing is that for some reason mine, like, it has mechanical failure. It only sprays like 2 big lines of the water inside. So I put it in this little container. I'm gonna spray my brush, then I'm gonna go ahead and grab that lavender shade in the Zombie palette, and it's very pigmented. And this is exactly why I put the under eye powder first, because you don't want to have any fallout, then your whole work on your face will be ruined, of course. I'm gonna just set it over that jumbo pencil color in Yogurt, and I'm actually gonna put this all over my eyelid, even though I actually put the majority of the yogurt color on the center of my eye. I just like it more of a pop in my center eye, and then I could just highlight the inner corner of my eye and it'll blend together, which I'll show you either way. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the powder, spray once, and then just finish it off. So I'm focusing it on the center of my eyelid and then dragging it out to the outer portion of my eye. Try putting on your makeup how you want to, how you feel comfortable with, and then trust me, by the time that you take all these powders off, it will all blend together. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the Carli Bybel palette, and then pick up that lavender shade. Another brush, this one is more of a tapered brush. It's very tiny. This is perfect to pack on shadow. This one is from the brand SIXPLUS. I'm gonna go back with that lavender shade that we used on the Carli Bybel just to go ahead and darken up my outer corner of the eye. And then all you have to do is just pat it on and then blend at the end. When you do work with color, you want to focus all the dark shades on the outer part just so it could look more of a cat eye. Just pack everything on and then you'll be good to go. In regards to that pop of color, you just go ahead and blend everything out with the first brush that you used and you'll be good. You guys could go ahead and do it a little bit lighter, a little bit darker. Try to maintain the way that you want your eye depending on your eye shape as well. Even if you do the same eyeshadow over and over, you will learn something new. You will know what you like. You will get more compliments on a way that you changed your method or anything like that. Then I'm gonna go back with that blending brush that we used in the very beginning, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all this together. And you could tell that there is an empty part in my outer V, and that's where I'm gonna just highlight. And then I'm gonna go back with the brush where we have the lavender purple, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and blend those 2 shades, because right now it looks like it's just 2 colors just on top with no more product. Whatever product you have here, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend right in the center of those 2 shades where it meets, and then it blends itself. And I love this brush because it really picks up a lot of product, and it reminds me of the MAC brushes. I think I'm gonna use one from the Ashley Tisdale collection only because I haven't even bothered to use it. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, the second to last shade, and that's what I'm gonna actually use to highlight. I think this one is from the BH collection. I have no idea. It doesn't have a name, but if I do find it, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it down below. So I spritz it just so it could make it very luminous. Then I'm gonna go back with the shade where we used the lavender purple with no product whatsoever, and then blend those 2 out. And then this time I am putting it almost to the inner corner of my eye, but not quite, because I just want to go over the line where it begins and ends. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do the eyeliner and lashes. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal liner in Carbon Black. I'm not gonna do a dramatic eyeliner because I am gonna put eyelashes, and again, I do want to keep this very simple and non-dramatic. So I'll be back because I really have to get up and personal with the mirror since I am blind. Okay, next I'm gonna use this mascara. I think I ended up getting it up at a BoxyCharm. For me personally, guys, mascara really is not the issue. High end, low end, for me mascara is mascara. For me, it's not the issue only because I do wear eyelashes. I don't like wearing eyelashes all the time to work. It just depends on your mood, you know. If you really want to If you really feel yourself, put lashes. If not, put a lot of mascara and you'll be good. I'm gonna just wear the Ardell Demi Wispy eyelashes, no big deal. Okay, so now that I have the lashes on, I'm gonna just go ahead and take off the powder all over my face. So before I go with the eyes, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish my face. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Sonia Kashuk. It has a very luminous blush, and this one is in the shade 53, a blush brush, which is the same brand that I've been using my eyeshadows with. Okay, for the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and use this liner. This one is from L'Oreal. It has a purple shade and then a very light shade at the edge. And I think this one is in black quartz. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tie line my waterline. And the only reason why I am not putting a black liner is just sometimes a black eyeliner on your waterline tends for the look to look more harsh, and I really want a very nice neutral purple, if that sounds weird, but it's very natural, you know. And that's why I'm using this kind. It's not like a, you know, in your face purple. It's sort of mixed with the brown and purple together, so that's why I like this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this BH Cosmetics one, and this one is in 107. It is an angled brush. I'm gonna just go ahead and use that to pick up some color to use for the under eye. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up again from the Zombie palette this shade right here. It's a little bit darker of a purple. I'm gonna actually put that closest to the eyeliner. And I'm actually going all the way to the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take another brush and then go back with that mauve color that we used in the beginning. And this one is more like a pencil brush or a tapered brush. I'm gonna go to the Carli Bybel palette and use that mauve color that we used to darken up the outer portion of the eye. I'm gonna put mascara. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the top of my brow bone along with my inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Milani, I think this is a bronzer, I'm not sure. This one is in 01. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight that part using the Rose Gold collection from BH Cosmetics, oldie but a goodie. This is actually in my brush set that I always use. I love these brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. It is more of a gold. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and set my face, highlight. And for highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same one along with the Royal and Langnickel. I actually ended up getting this at Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face and then go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna dip my brush into the highlighter again, and I'm actually going to go ahead again and highlight the top of my brow bone. Just a tiny bit, and then drag it down to my highlight. Alright, obviously the nose. Put lipstick on. Now for the lipstick, it's very easy. It's in Julianne's Nude, which I think that's what I'm gonna go. A Maybelline lip gloss. It's in the shade 10. It's like a very like gold champagne color. And that is it for the look, guys. I am very excited how it turned out. It took less than 20 to 30 minutes to do. Just filming just takes forever. If you guys love this tutorial, go ahead and subscribe and like and share. If you guys want to see more affordable videos, go ahead and let me know. Also, don't forget to check out my homegirls video. Bye.